Online and hybrid classes have a few distinct features, including the spaces in which students and instructors meet. To facilitate synchronous sessions, online learning uses Zoom, a video platform that operates similarly to popular virtual meeting tools, such as Skype
or Google Meet.
This program is safe, and its system resources are fairly minimal.
We recommend downloading the Zoom application to your PC or Mac before your first synchronous session. The Zoom app can be downloaded at the Zoom application download website. If you use Zoom without the app, you will not have access to all the features that your instructor may be using.
Once you've installed the app, the link will take you to your course Zoom room. After entering the room, you'll likely be prompted to share your computer audio via a built-in microphone or separate headset. After this, you've completed the sign-in and setup process. Congratulations! It's that simple. Now here's where the fun begins. In order to take advantage of the platform's robust features, it will help to learn a bit about the meeting controls. Let's start with the audio and video features. All of Zoom controls are located at the bottom or top of the screen. Likely, these controls will auto-hide. In order to find them, we recommend scrolling your mouse to the bottom or the top of the screen. To the left of this screen, at the bottom, you'll see a microphone icon and a camera icon. Let's start with audio. In order to start your audio to mute and unmute your voice, you can click on this microphone icon. The same applies for video. Many times, Zoom will start video automatically. If you'd like to stop video, just click on the video icon. You can also set which input you'll use. Zoom provides many options for class participation beyond audio and video. It incorporates hand raising, text chat, screen sharing, breakout rooms, and other communication functions. We'll demonstrate each of these to give you a better sense of how you can contribute to lively discussions and share presentations. Let's start with hand raising. In order to find the hand raising icon, you'll navigate to the bottom of the screen and click on the Participants button. You'll have the option to raise your hand there when the window appears. It's important to note that in Zoom, most windows can be moved and resized to fit your screen. This means that what you see on your screen might not necessarily appear exactly as others see it. Next is the chat function. This icon is located next to the green Share Screen button in the bottom navigation menu. The chat function allows you to message your classmates and instructor individually, through private chat, or as a group. Next is screen sharing. This is perhaps the function that will be used most in the course. Screen sharing allows you to share different applications that are open on your desktop. This includes PowerPoint, Word, your preferred browser, and your desktop. You'll also notice two options at the bottom of this window. One is Share Computer Sound, the other is Optimize for Full Screen Video Clip. When sharing audio or video, you'll want to make sure that both of these are checked. This will ensure that viewers get the best experience possible. When sharing your screen, everyone in the room will have the ability to annotate whatever appears on the screen. Another useful feature that Zoom has is Breakout Rooms. With this, your instructor can place you and your classmates into individual rooms for group activities. The breakout room is a separate room in which you can engage in conversation, discuss, and share your screen. You'll also have the option to request your instructor's help at any time. When asking for help, Zoom automatically sends a message to your instructor who can come directly to your room. Finally, to complete the session, simply click End Meeting. This will close the Zoom window. When leaving the room, conversation can continue until everyone exits individually. Congrats! That's it! You're now a Zoom expert.